Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can upgrade your Bose SoundLink Mini 2 Bluetooth speaker. To do this you will need a simple micro USB cable. Let's plug it into the speaker and the other end to a USB port of your computer. Now open up a web browser and go to the btu.bose.com webpage. Here click on the Accept and Continue button. Then click on the Download button. And as you can see, it starts to download an installer. Now click on the downloaded installer. And apparently nothing happened, however a small Bose icon appeared on the tray. Right click on it and click on the Launch Bose Updater website. This goes to the same URL, however for some reason the original web page didn't want to refresh me and it worked in this way. As you can see, the updater is ready and it's automatically detected my speaker. And also that software updates available. So click on the Apply Changes button. Now it is connecting to the speaker and starts the upgrade process. Make sure to do not unplug the speaker. It takes around 5 minutes, however I will speed up the video. So as you can see, it successfully finished the update. You can remove your speaker from the cable. So this was the Bose SoundLink Mini 2 update process. If you liked the video, please press the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.